So now coming to the concept number 3. In concept number 3, we are going to say about the robotic process automation. Here it is robo. So these are humans. Whenever it comes to the routine tasks, humans can do errors, but a robot cannot do errors. They will never do the errors. So even they can perform the routine tasks in easiest way, and when compared with the humans, they can perform with less error. So what exactly robotic process automation is? So what is robotic process automation? RP is a technology, as I already told you that it is a technology that can automate the business processes. So here the concept is called robotic process automation. So that can automate the business processes that are nothing but, as I already told you previously, that are based on the rules, so based on the structure and based on the repetitive tasks. So a company can use RPA tools, that is the robotic process automation tools, to communicate with other digital systems or capture the data, retrieve the information, process a transaction and more. So consider RPA robots that are programmed to complete specific business processes. So as of now, financial firms were the fast to adopt RPA. But there are now companies in many industries including healthcare, retail, manufacturing and more who use RPA technology. So 10 examples of, I will give you 10 examples of robotic process automation in practice. So RPA helps companies from numerous industries complete a wide variety of tasks. The businesses helping them with their digital transformation and to improve the performance. We can see hundreds of great RPA examples. Here are just 10 of them. So call center operations, data migration or data entry and forms processing, claims administration, onboarding employees, help desk, support the sales process, scheduling the systems, credit card applications, expense management, pulling data from multiple websites to find the best deal. So these are the various examples of RPA tools used by various companies in those areas. Many business processes require professionals to capture and combine data from various sources. For example, for the account reconciliations process, professionals need data from an accounting general ledger package, data tables from an external entity such as a tax authority, and data from the company's human resource system or other data system. Why I am telling all this? Professionals then go through the process of importing or copying and pasting this data into a spreadsheet. So this type of work is detailed, time consuming. So this type of work is detailed, time consuming and subject to even human error. There comes the concept of robotic process automation. So due to monetary lack of attention or a mental fatigue. So that is the reason you can see these RPA tools. For example, in India, so ask Ayla. Ayla means interactive live assistant. Interactive live assistance. This is nothing but a RPA tool, robotic process automation tool, adopted by the State Bank of India. So So it is generating the pin, it may updating the pin, it may resetting the forgotten pin. So and lots more. So experience is with ILA. Ask ILA. So this ILA is promoted by the SBI. So this is one of the RPA tool. So this is the car assembling automation tool. So this is the routine task performed by these robotics. And even ICICI Bank is adopting iPod. So like in case of SBI, ILA is there na. So like that in case of ICICI Bank, iPod is there. So both are similar. Both are similar. So they are using the RPA tools like this. So robotic process automation provides an effective solution to the risk of human error. So to the risk of human error, so RP is providing an effective solution. When performing these tasks, RPA employs a software that can reach across various data platforms to capture and record data into one single processing facility, such as spreadsheet like Excel. So RPA robots are able to imitate many user actions, such as, so here I am telling you about imitate. So as it is whatever humans are doing, the same can be imitated by these RPAs. So that is like human, RPA can logging into programs. Like human, it can copying and pasting the data. Like human, it can moving the files and filling in forms. So the term robot invokes images of walking and talking missions like the droids depicted in science fiction or fantasy movies. However, in these missions are data sources to achieve a specified task, because using RPA requires minimal knowledge, so no much intelligence is required. Of computer programming, most professionals can be trained to use RPA software to automate desired tasks. For example, suppose an employee is required to copy and paste specific fields of data from a PDF form from a governmental agency's website each week. So each week from the governmental agency website, data need to be extracted into an Excel spreadsheet so that the data can be analyzed. So in this example, how the RPA can perform this task. Okay, I will explain you in the next slide. So RPA robotics can be programmed to go the first of all governmental agency's website. So why they are going to the governmental website? To retrieve and open the PDF form and then open Excel, that is Excel sheet, and to move the data from the agency's PDF form to the nothing but company's Excel spreadsheet. So this is the task that can be performed by the RPA in that example. So current RPA software utilizes drag and drop programming objects in a flowchart type interface, making the task relatively simple to learn and implement, since users are not required to learn a formal programming language. So users are not required to learn a formal programming language. Adopting RPA has majorly 5 primary benefits. What are all those 5 primary benefits are? So quicker completion of monotonous tasks at a lower error rate than humans, and it leaves the audit trail and it is 100% consistent. and the focus is on value added tasks by the employees. So because the routine tasks will be taken care by the RPA, and it can work 24 into 7 in a year. So that is quicker completion of monotonous tasks at a lower error rate than humans can perform the task. So leaves an audited trail of all of the actions and changes to data. So 100% consistent in that it performs the programmed functions the same way every time, barring code or data corruption. So frees human from doing boring and repetitive tasks so that they may focus on more value added tasks that lead to increased employee morale and productivity. So whenever RPA tools are performing the routine tasks, then there is a more time available to the employees so that employees can focus on other value added activities rather than simply focusing on non-value added activities, repetitive works. So RPA has five primary benefits. So the fifth one is so can work 24 hours a day. These RPA tools can work 24 hours a day, even 7 days a week without any interruption because it is not human. It can perform its functions throughout the year. Okay. So we have completed the robotic process automation. Now we are in concept number 4, artificial